It's him.
Nikolai, are you alright? Can you walk?
Yes, I can still fight. Thank you for getting me out of here.
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We have the package. Meet us at LZ1. Over.
Bravo 6, this is Big Bird. We're on our way. Out.
Let's go. No, their invasion begins in a few hours. Why?
The Americans are making mistake. They will never take Al-Assad alive.
What the bloody hell is that? Incoming missile!
Mayday, Mayday. This is Hammer 6-4. We are going down. I repeat, we are going down 2 miles south of Waypoint 5.
Jefferson, breaching clear.
Alright, the coast is clear.
Alright, you guys go up and I'll stay back and cover this area.
Copy.
Roger that. Watch it back. Enemy hostile, get down! Watch our flanks. Nice shot. Enemy annihilated. Bravo team, is everything alright there?
Everything's okay here.
Roger that. Good to know. Burn in hell, you fuckers.
John, we have a man down.
Damn it. I hate those bloody reds. Bravo team, enemy troops heading your way.
Roger that. Go plant a claymore at that door.
Roger.